Here we look at a bladder neck fistula repair. The first part of this operation is typically done laparoscopically. Here you can see dissection of the rectum from the bladder neck entrance. Once the fistula has been able to be completely dissected, a ligature is passed around the fistula to secure the bladder side, and the bowel is divided, removing the rectum from the bladder neck. The rectum is high in the pelvis, and additional mobilization is required. This diagram demonstrates the significant tension that the bowel is under. The mesenteric arcade supplying the bowel is carefully examined and branches serially divided. Maintaining the main arterial supply to the bowel, but releasing the smaller branches that will allow the bowel to be brought easily down to the perineum.